know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to beautifully color grade this photo in Lightroom. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button below and press the bell notification icon to get the latest updates whenever I post a new video. This is what the result will look like. Now let's go to the video. Import the photo in Lightroom. On the right hand side, change the exposure to positive 0.20. Change the contrast to positive 25. Decrease the highlights to negative 100. Increase the shadows to positive 66. Increase the whites to positive 22. Decrease the blacks to negative 29. In the temperature section, increase the vibrance to positive 63. Decrease the saturation to negative 16. In the color section, for red, decrease the hues to negative 38. Increase the saturation to positive 24. For yellow, decrease the hues to negative 25 and increase the saturation to positive 21. For green, increase the hues to positive 81 and the saturation to positive 50. For aqua, increase the hues to positive 40 and the saturation to positive 37. For blue, increase the hues to positive 33 and the saturation to positive 37, keep the rest as it is. In the color grading section, select the shadows, midtones, highlights and global tones as shown in the video. Make sure to increase the blending value of all three of those to positive 87. Decrease texture to negative 25, increase the clarity to positive 31, increase details to positive 23 and add a vignetting of negative 13, increase the highlights to positive 100. Now export the photo and enjoy the results. If you liked my video, then click on the like button down below and subscribe to my channel.